Understanding Unity of Effort, a guide to collaborative success. Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to explore an incredibly important concept, especially in team settings: unity of effort. This phrase might sound formal, but it's something you've probably experienced in your daily life without even realizing it. So, let's break it down and understand how it plays a crucial role in achieving common goals. Unity of effort refers to the situation where individuals or groups work together seamlessly towards a common objective. It's not just about working together, but doing so in a way that everyone's actions are coordinated and focused on the same end goal. In a nutshell, it's the harmony and the choir of teamwork. In this section, let's dive into the importance of unity of effort. When everyone in a team aligns their efforts, the outcome is not just the sum of individual contributions, but often exceeds expectations. This unity minimizes wasted effort, reduces conflicts, and ensures that resources are used efficiently. Whether in a workplace, a sports team, or a community project, unity of effort is the secret ingredient to success. Achieving unity of effort is easier said than done. It requires 1. Clear communication. Everyone must understand the common goal and their role in achieving it. 2. Coordination. Activities and resources need to be managed in a way that they complement, not contradict each other. 3. Cooperation. Team members must be willing to support and help each other, setting aside personal agendas for the team's objective. 4. Commitment. Last but not least, a strong commitment to the common goal is essential. To make it more relatable, let's look at some real-world examples. From successful space missions like the Apollo program to a local community coming together for a cleanup drive, unity of effort is the driving force behind these achievements. These examples demonstrate that when individuals pool their efforts and skills towards a common goal, remarkable things can happen. In conclusion, unity of effort is not just a phrase, but a powerful principle that can lead to extraordinary results. It's about harnessing the collective strength and focus of a group to achieve a common goal. We hope this video has shed light on its importance and how it can be achieved. Until next time, keep collaborating, keep achieving, and thank you for watching.